Hello everyone, my name is Kathleen Hansen, and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. This week, I'm laying out a 5-day vocal reboot plan consisting of vocal warmups and exercises for you to improve your singing. Today's focus is going to be on singing exercises which focus on breath coordination and engagement. In order to help our instrument work optimally, let's come into a balanced alignment. Breathe in, and on the exhale, release any unnecessary tension. Open up the front of your body and invite in openness. Relax into a nice, even and slow breath, and let's sigh down together gently. Do your best to stay in the moment and feel the sensations of relaxed breathing through our time together today. One more breath in, and another gentle sigh out. Now, after a low breath, say ha, 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 feeling your abdomen pulse. Here we go. Ha, ha, ha. Now, with that feeling of coordination and engagement, we're going to sing on ha, mama. We're going to use just a little bit of extra hook at the beginning of the breath, more than we would on a regular phrase of singing. It sounds like this. Hum, mum, mum, hum, mum, mum, hum, mum, mum, hum, mum, 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 hum, mum, hum. Hum, mum, mum, hum, mum, mum, hum, mum, mum, hum, mum, mum, hum, mum, hum. Hum, mum, mum, hum, mum, mum, hum, mum, mum, If you want to know a little bit more about breathing for singing, check out this video here where I talk a little bit more about the mechanics and exercises to practice getting the right type of breath. We're going to sing on a zzz sound now, like the letter Z. Notice the gentle but specific start of the tone as the breath produces phonation. You might feel a little bit of extra breath engagement as we ascend to the highest parts of this exercise. We're going to sing on to mention that my mobile app for singers, Vocal Warmups with Kathleen, is available for all platforms. There are now dozens of searchable warm-up lists to choose from, and it's super easy to use. I hope you'll check it out in the links below. Coming back now to the feeling of a pulsed breath, we're going to sing on ha, 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 like ha, 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 ha. Put a little bit of space in between each note because we're working on breath coordination and we want the muscles to kind of reset and relax in between each note. Ha, 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 ha. 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 Singing on a lip trill can help with steadiness of breath as it coordinates with the vocal cords. As always, if that lip trill doesn't work for you, you can sing this on a v or a zh or a hum, something else like that. We're going to sing on This next vocal exercise works on several things, but here we're going to focus on the onset of the sound as we initiate a sound. I would spell that H-N-G. There's really no vowel. Air comes through the nose, and then we will open up to an ah on Hng-ah. As we work, make sure we have a clean transition between the Hng and the ah. So it's Hng-ah and not Hng-ah. That brings in tongue tension that we don't want. We'll sing on the following pattern. Now to another multi-purpose type of exercise. We're going to sing on Kee Keh, Kee Keh, on a very detached syllable. Make sure just to throw away the end of the last note, like Kee Keh, Kee Keh, Kee. Give it a try. Kee Keh, Kee Keh, Kee. Lots of space in between. Kee Keh, Kee Keh, Kee. Kee Keh, Kee Keh, Kee. Relax on the breath. Kee Keh, Kee Keh, Kee. Kee Keh, Kee Keh, Kee. You can check for tension in between. Kee Keh, Kee Keh, Kee. 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 This next exercise provides a little bit of a workout. We're going to sing on Z, E, ah. It moves pretty quickly and it sounds like this. Z, E, ha, ha, ha. On that ha, ha, ha at the end, we can use that to pulse the breath, again working coordination of the breathing muscles. Here we go. Z, E, ha, ha, ha. 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 Z, E, let's just take a moment to relax after that. We're going to sing on ha, ma, ma, and we'll descend like ha, ma, ma, finish up with a bit of range work with a longer engaged breath. We're going to sing on "Oh, How I Love to Sing" with attention to continuing the air through that whole phrase. We're going to sing, "Oh, how I love to sing." Keep your intention again on a relaxed and coordinated, free-flowing breath. Here we go. Oh, how I love to sing. 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 Thank you as always for singing with me. When you like and subscribe and comment and share, it does help my channel. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I publish videos. I have some great new things coming up. Also, check out my app. I'll be back tomorrow with a focus on phonation. Keep singing, and I'll see you next time.